Yeah. Woo!
I can't believe I even thought of getting back together with you. We are so over.
Fine by me!
Oh, like. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Faiz. So today is what day is it today? Let me check. Okay, it's Thursday, 14th of January. So as you guys can see, I'm currently in my room. Okay, there's a reason why am I not posting any new videos or do any live streams and stuff like that. There's a reason why. Okay, first of all, my PC there's something wrong with it. It has been outdated because I was so busy at Kuala Lumpur. I really had no time to update it, and it's getting pretty old now. As in the PC is dusty and stuff like that because I haven't been home more than 6 months. So I'm back now in Johor Bahru, and today is the second day of our movement control order 2.0, which is our second PKP it's gonna be the first ever MCO in 2021, but our previous MCO was last year, so this is the second MCO, which is MCO 2.0. It's crazy. So I'm at home now, and since we can't really leave the state, my cousin is coming to my house today, and we're gonna build our PC. And alhamdulillah, I got my new webcam, which I'm really excited. And yeah, there's no more fixing the camera, re-recording, there's no more time limit, so it's gonna be amazing. I'm really excited. So like I said, you work, you got the money, then you upgrade it slowly. So yes, I'm upgrading it again, which I'm really excited. My cousin bought all the stuffs already. So basically Faiz ni, kalau Faiz nak betulkan komputer, Faiz akan kumpul duit dulu. As in, okay, for example, Faiz plan dulu. I'm gonna plan with my cousin first. I can plan with cousin Faiz. Okay, so for my upcoming PC that I'm gonna upgrade, okay, these are the stuffs. Okay, I'm gonna need a new graphic card. I'm gonna need a new fan, a new power supply, a new processor, stuff like that. So kita akan plan first. Then my cousin is gonna be like, okay Faiz, the budget for your new computer is gonna be like what, around for example it's gonna be around 1k 2k macam tu. So Faiz akan I'm gonna work, and then alhamdulillah got the money. Okay, Hafiz, this is the budget. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it to you because I trust him. I'm gonna leave this to you and just get all the stuff I need. So yes, and alhamdulillah everything is fine. We got all the stuff. So today, yes, this is why I'm doing this video. Today I am going to bring you guys with me. We are gonna build my PC. Okay, we're gonna build our new and upgraded PC, which I'm really excited. But as you guys can see, we're currently in my room. So I had never done any room tour. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my room. So let's go. So by the way, this is a tapestry. My friends bought it for me for my 18th birthday last year, so I love them so much. Thank you so much, guys. I love them so much. I mean, they're still in JB. I mean we can't link pockets right now. PKP 2.0. So yes, and this is my bed. Yeah, this is my bed. I mean, I cleaned it, but I put 2 pillows here because I was watching Friends. Yeah, I was watching Friends, and they this is my closet. This is my this is my closet, and there's Sally, my. Okay, fine. I do sleep with them still. Okay, like see, Sally's here. We got Jake. We got Mickey. I got this while I was I won this Mickey Mouse doll. I won in Club Mickey Mouse season 4. So stay tuned. Okay, Faiz won a game. God damn it, Faiz won a game. So yeah. Anyways, this is my table. This is where I will do my work and stuff like that. So as you guys can see, I have my laptop here. Yeah, this is where I would edit my videos. And like I said, because usually I would edit my videos using my PC, but when I was in KL, I was very, you know, like I have some videos that I'll have to edit, so I really have no computer over there. So masa tu pun, and also I think most of you guys know, my previous MacBook Air was stolen. So yeah, it was very sad, but alhamdulillah, I got a better laptop, so cool. Okay, as you guys can see, yeah, this is where I do my work, and I have a friend's calendar that I bought for $5 from Typo. Yeah, so I got my 2 water bottle. Okay, as you guys can see, there's my name here. Check. See? And my name here, Faiz Najib. This is from Photo Book. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. So Wafi and Giggle has the same tumbler. And this one was given to me by Disney Star Wars. I was doing a campaign for them for The Mandalorian. They know I love Darth Vader, so they give me this. So yeah. And yeah, this is my TV. This TV has been around for almost since I was more than 10 years actually. This was my parents' TV when they were opening a wedding store in Johor Bahru. Yeah, but now since they're not doing that anymore, they gave me this TV. So yeah, ada rosak-rosak sikit atas ni, but I don't know, maybe someday I'll change it. And yeah, this is my chair. It's very ugly, but I loved it so much. And it's actually this blue chair, but this blue chair has been around for more than 10 years, like I said. So I just covered it with my kimono, and these are my shirts. Yeah, and these are my fairy lights, everyone. And yeah, see, think big and don't listen to people. Can you guys see it? Yeah. Okay. Can you guys see it? Yes. So this is my sister's. I don't know where she bought it, but yeah. As you guys can you guys see it? Think big and don't listen to people who tell you it can't be done. Life's too short to think small, so you gotta think big. Alright. So this is my sister's blind bag. This is very scary, but yes, looks dope though. It looks really cool. And what else can I show you? Oh, look at this. It's my necktie from high school. I still keep it. See? Yeah, this is my necktie from high school. I've been using this since I was, how old? Since I was 14, 15. So I clipped everything in there and just, I don't know, man. I'm just gonna put here. But yes, this is my room. It's not that special, but it's very comfortable, and I just love being in my room. Basically, I'm sharing this room with my big sister. Yeah. So this is where I would do my work. This is where I would cry. This is where I would laugh. This is where I would dance. And I'm grateful. So yes, I'm very happy. And yeah, I think there's not much to show you guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit for today. Okay, so I'm wearing a black color Aerism from Uniqlo. And this beautiful pants is from Anabu. Yeah, it's called the Umbi Kurta pants. So yeah, this was my first ever product that I bought from Anabu, and until now I'm still wearing it. I loved it so much. So yeah, all black for today, dudes. And yeah, there's not much to see. And down here are all books. Yeah, books, boxes. Yeah, nothing to see much, but so far so good. I'm just chilling. I'm just waiting for my cousin to arrive. Alright, let's go! Say to the camera. Okay, so we got a lot of shit here. Okay, so we got Kingston. What's this? SSD. Okay, so this SSD is 480 gig, which is more faster. Now what's this? Alright, we got bapak berat siap. Why is it so heavy? My god. Okay, Okay, so this is this power supply. We've got the MWE white 650. Woo! Sexy. Okay, this one is a XLR8 RGB RAM 8GB. Okay, cool. Apa ni, Pis? Ni.
1 terabyte hard drive.
Holy shit! We got a 1 terabyte hard drive. Banyak tu storage ni. It'll be great. Okay, this one we got the wire lah. Okay. Alright. And this baby over here is the casing. Got the master box Q300L. Lupa aja je.
Tak ada fan dia. Tak ada. Mana dia bagi you fan? Dia dah bagi you casing, tak ada bagi you fan dia. Ada pun satu. Kalau ada pun dia bagi you yang tak review.
Damn nice though. This is the one that you've been talking about. Shit. Bukan. But I like it though. I like the geometry.
A few moments later.
Okay, so yes, this is my current PC. So this case has been with me for these past few years. Actually has been here with me for this past 3 years. Dah lama gila. Yeah, there's a lot of things. I mean, I upgraded this last year, but it was last March. So this is the AMD. We got the fan here. These stuffs are still new. We're gonna change this power supply. Let's build our PC. You guys ready? Oh my gosh, look at that. Thank you so much, Hafiz. Dude, look at this, man. This is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I mean, it's not 100% done. It's 85% done, but I'm very, very happy. Look at that cute 1 RGB. I mean, better than nothing, kan? It's so nice. It's very nice. I'm super, super duper excited. As you guys can see, yeah, this was my storage. Last time it was 500 GB and this was just 101 GB, but now I have a 1 terabyte storage for my games and the local DC. It was really full last time. It was so full, but now yeah, we have 2 more storage. Thank you so much, Hafiz. So yeah, look at that, man. I'm so happy. I mean, it's not 100% ready, but it's 85% ready. Slowly we're gonna upgrade it bit by bit, but so far I'm very happy with this one. I mean, look at this, man. It's so cute. It's so cute. Thank you so much. This is gonna be great. So yes, I'm really excited to produce more contents for you guys. Wow, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching my my video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. This is really awesome. So yeah, like I said, you know, slowly it doesn't have to be bam like that, everything's done. No, I mean, like I said, like I worked and get the money and upgrade it bits by bits. I mean, this has been more than 10 years already. This monitor has been more than 5 years. This one has been more than 4 years, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, serious. I didn't even upgrade my keyboard. It's still my normal keyboard. And yeah, this one I bought this last year. And yeah, I just bought this like a couple of days before. Yeah, and this was last year as well. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I haven't changed, like still 85% done. But yeah, like I said, you know, slowly we're gonna upgrade it bit by bit. But yeah, I'm really hoping to stream more games for you guys over here and do more work. So yes, thank you so much, guys, for all the amazing amount of your love and support. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this video. Bye guys, take care. Ciao. Hey guys, say hello to my new webcam. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so basically this is my old webcam. As you guys can see, the rosa already. I can't really use this anymore. But I finally got this, and oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I'm gonna stream a lot of games, especially during this MCO. So this is gonna be awesome. And yeah, I got a free tripod. Look at that, it's steel. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be amazing. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Set it up. Look at that. Damn. Okay. I'm gonna twist this open. Put it up here. It's time to change, man. I think that webcam was there for almost 4 years. So like, yeah, it's time for me to change it. And it'll be more easy for me to stream games because it's gonna easy for me to set everything on OBS as well. I'm gonna record my games, or we play Trade Out or any other games whenever we want to do live streams. So it's gonna be easy for that. Hey. Twist it. Isn't that nice? Isn't that beautiful? Alright, we're done. I'm gonna test. Should I pull this? No, I think I should pull this. Hey yo, let's go. Hey guys, I put it on. Oh my god, that is so clear. Look at that. Right? Yo. This is good. Like, it's so clear.